Are you ready and motivated to take control of your finances, but you don't know where to start? Well, in this video, let me show how to invest step by step, even if you're a beginner. In this video, we go over clear steps and how to take action today. But let's quickly talk about the benefits of investing. So if you start investing today, $50 every month, here's how much you could have in the next 20 years, assuming you get 8% annual return on your investments. So by investing $50 every month over the next 20 years, your total balance will be $29,637.36. And that's a pretty big amount when considering you're only investing $50 every month. And in my opinion, that's the first point of understanding that investing is actually very powerful. And actually, it is very rewarding, especially over long term. Then the next thing, before you start investing, you have to be familiar with basic terms. For example, stocks, bonds, funds, ETFs, return on investment. It's very important that you understand where you are putting your money, because if you don't know how different investments work, it's a huge risk because you can't be confident about your investment plan if you just go and invest in something you don't know about at all. And I have made a video about 10 financial terms everyone should know, so if you're interested in learning the most basic and important terms in finance, make sure to watch that video. I leave the link down in the description. Next thing that is very important is you have to have your investment goals. You have to know your risk tolerance. How much risk are you able to take? Are you able to deal with that risk? Are you more of a person who likes to invest in assets which have lower risk? Sometimes you may feel that you're not able to take a huge risk. However, when investing in more riskier assets, you'll realize that it's actually pretty easy to deal with even higher risk investments. And that's why I highly encourage you to try them as well. Last thing is your time horizon. So for how long are you investing? Are you investing for 10 years, 20 years, or 40 years? That has a huge impact on your investments and especially creating your investment plan. If you're in your 20s and you have the whole life ahead of you, in my opinion, it would be a great option to consider at least investing 30 years or 40 years. That way you will be able to take advantage of compound interest, invest long-term consistently, and as a result, you will have profitable investments. And if you're a bit older and you're not familiar with investing at all, I would still recommend starting it because it's a great way to put your money to work for you. There's so much in investing that makes life just that much more interesting. And without investing, you're missing on a huge chance of making financial growth. And by the way, if you're liking this video this far, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more so don't miss the newest uploads every Thursday and Sunday. Okay, then let's jump into this step-by-step guide. So first off, identify your investment goals. Why are you investing? How much would you like to invest? What kind of a risk you're able to deal with? And a good way to do this is write it down on paper. That helps you to understand what your investment goals are. After doing this, open internet and open an investment account. It depends obviously that where you are located in the world. You can use several different platforms such as eToro, Robinhood, Vanguard, and best thing is that they offer an easy way of investing. You don't have to put a lot of effort in that, and every platform provides you great investment options you can start with, so you don't have to feel that it's super hard. Sometimes people say that in order to invest you have to have a lot of money. That's not true at all. I take myself as an example here. I started investing with $30. I started investing with index funds, and the first time I invested in index fund, I've invested $30. That's just something that makes investing so effortless and easy to start. Don't make excuses. Then, as soon as you have opened the account, you have to choose beginner-friendly investment options. You can start investing in mutual funds, index funds, or ETFs, which stands for exchange-traded funds. What makes them phenomenal investing options for beginners is that it's already a diversified portfolio of different stocks or bonds. There's plenty of funds that can offer you, for example, global diversification, which makes it easier for you to reduce your risk. And also, the second advantage is that you don't have to play with individual stocks. So you don't have to analyze stocks or understand about their business, because that can be pretty hard at first. But my personal recommendation is that you start with index funds because they also have low fees. Index funds are passively managed and they don't have portfolio managers or analysts making decisions where they invest your money. And the best thing about investing, for example, in index funds is that you can set up automatic contributions. You simply make a deal that you invest $50 every month into a certain index fund, for example. And as you learn and start understanding how stock market behaves and you get more familiar with financial terms, then you can try investing in individual stocks and buying more advanced investment options. Then let's talk about common investing mistakes to avoid. I go quickly over this because I have made a video about 4 common investing mistakes you should avoid. And if you want to watch that video, I also leave the link down in the description. Never invest with a mindset of I'm going to try to time the market to make the best potential returns. Avoid that. Avoid also chasing trends, because that's not profitable, especially when talking about long-term investing. Make sure you invest cost effectively so you avoid high fees. If you're always trading and selling and buying, stocks, those trading fees can add up a lot. And it's going to be much more better for you if you realize it now. And the last thing about common investing mistakes is that if you see that some stocks drop in the stock market or that your investments have not been performing well over the last 4 months, usually that's not a sign that you should sell those investments. Never panic during downturns, because arguably over long term, the value of your investments will grow and increase. So starting investing is not hard, and you can start it today. You don't have to have a lot of money. You can get started with $30, for example. You can start with extremely beginner-friendly investment options. And I think that's it for this video. And what I want you to do after watching this video is pick one investment platform and invest $10 today. I hope this was easy to understand and this made you much more interested about investing. And if you're really about to start investing today, make sure to watch this video next. It is about how to start investing with $100. If you're new to the channel, click here to subscribe. Start investing today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.